SEMRush. SEMRush is a package of tools that helps to improve internet visibility and aids to discover marketing insights. SEO, PPC, SMM, keyword research, competitive research, PR, content marketing, marketing insights, campaign management are the facilities provided by this SEO tool website. The affiliate program of SEMRush is known as BRush. If you choose to promote the website, you can earn up to 40% recurring commission on each purchase. LiveTrader. LiveTrader is an online platform that serves as a trading firm along with being used as an educational platform. Basically, it acts as a cryptocurrency trading bot that makes use of real-time data. This technique is used to examine the market, looking for profitable trades. The platform offers recurring commissions to affiliates. By signing up to the program and marketing it using your referral links, you can earn up to 30% commission. Longtail Pro. Longtail Pro is an online keyword research software. It helps website owners using powerful SEO strategies by finding low competition keywords. High conversation rates and dedicated affiliate support are the main benefits of Longtail Pro's affiliate program. By signing up to it, one can earn 30% recurring commissions. Around 2,800 affiliates use this program to earn worldwide. Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform with 400,000 merchants from all over the world. The platform is highly popular. The affiliate program of Shopify offers resources to affiliates that optimizes referral performance. As an affiliate, you get access to tools supporting content development and information about performance insights. The commission rates are massive and go up to 200% on paid stores with no minimum threshold for payouts. Social Pilot. Social Pilot is a social media marketing tool. It is used by businesses, professionals, and teams for management of social media activities. The tool works by scheduling, publishing, and managing social media for its clients. The affiliate program of Social Pilot is impressive, and it offers 30% recurring commission over purchase of the paid plans.